Okay, you see, goes for a while, and then it, and the same if you look on the SNN chart. Bar charts have been filled up, but I'm not sure if they're filled up anymore.